Cleopatra was powerful. She proved that women can do what men can do, and equal to the male rulers of her time. Let's hear more about this legendary woman. Cleopatra ruled Egypt for 21 of her 39 years of life. She was born into a Greek family who ruled Egypt at the time. As a young woman, Cleopatra showed high intellect and signs that she was destined to be a great leader. She studied all kinds of subjects, including science, literature, and philosophy, and even mastered 9 languages. When her father died, he left the throne to 18-year-old Cleopatra and her 10-year-old brother. However, Cleopatra and her brother didn't exactly see eye to eye, and she had to flee to Syria. Cleopatra eventually assembled an army large enough to dethrone her brother and declare the throne for herself. Her determination, alongside her legendary beauty and powers of seduction, earned her a place in history. But the story of Cleopatra shouldn't only be reduced to her beauty, beaded braids, kohl-rimmed eyes, serpentine accessories, and irresistible charm. Cleopatra, the last pharaoh and first female ruler of Egypt, is also known as the femme fatale who captivated 2 of the most powerful Roman leaders, Julius Caesar and Mark Antony. Cleopatra's story has enchanted people for centuries. The long and complicated history behind this master charmer, who used her feminine energy to command an entire army, is alive with mystery and passion. But no one can deny that her story is one of strength. She was extremely persuasive and brave. She used these qualities wisely to lead. Cleopatra was respected. Her people admired her. She was a legend long before she died, and 3 centuries after her death, she is still worshipped by many. She is an inspiration. She inspired her people as much as she inspires and fascinates us today. Cleopatra liked to live life in the fast lane and to the fullest, making bold decisions to enforce change. Sometimes her risks made her unpopular, but she never accepted defeat. She is a shining example of a strong woman. Cleopatra shows that beauty goes beyond the physical. True beauty comes from inner confidence and knowing who you are.